In this video, I will show with you how to log in OTP Bank of Croatia. So what you have to do, go to Google, search for OTP Bank Croatia, this keyword, scroll down, click on Croatia option. This is for Croatia, guys. You will see this page, login page here. After you will click on this page, click login here, and then click you can log in here with new OTP, this option, click this one, and then you will see OTP Internet Bank. This is for internet bank, and then all you have to do, write your email address with your bank and write your password. For example, this is my email address. After that, all you have to do, write your email address as I say, and write your unique password, and then click login. You can also log in with your QR codes. Just click on the scan this QR codes. For example, this one. You can scan this QR code and you can log in with this QR code successfully. If you want to log in with your app, just click app here on this section of app, download this OTP Bank of Croatia, and then you can log in successfully on your Croatia bank. So guys, I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and share this video. Just download app and you can start logging successfully.